Well, here it is, a Wednesday morning. This is my Blackstone grill. Guess what? See those rocks? You know what they're good for? You know what I'm using them for? So I have an app on my phone, and I leveled my Blackstone. It's something I like to do before I start cooking. So I line the inside of my grill. See if I can lift this up with foil. You see that? Just in case anything spills, it should never spill, but also reflects the heat. It's something I do. So before I start cooking, I'll heat this baby up, attach my canister right here, heat it up, sanitize it real good, then I can start cooking. What am I cooking? Hey, wait and see, baby. The adventure's just starting, and I'm enjoying it, like everyone should. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.